And good morning, this is Natalie with Discover Real Estate. I am in La Talanguera Condos. I'm on the 5th floor of the back building that has the 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom condos. There's elevator service for these. I'm going to give you a video tour of 503. So you come in here into the living room, dining room area, kitchen here. So electric stove, nice exhaust hood. This window just goes out into the atrium area. Nice big refrigerator. Some space above it. So the doors and cabinets have the slow close features so they don't slam when you close them, which is really nice. So yeah, you have a nice little dining area here. And a great front patio. So let me show you the front patio area. The view from here is just absolutely amazing. You can see the whole bay of San Juan del Sur. It's a gated community. Down there is the beachfront area. There's a swimming pool along the beachfront and a clubhouse to hang out at. You have a dedicated parking spot. My car, the blue RAV4, is in this spot for this condo. So great security here. They have their own septic system for the development on the other side of the big building. They have their own backup water tanks, so they have water for everything. This has got a very nice patio table out here and some chairs, and then there's a few more chairs in here that go for the patio outside. Let's give you, okay, my client's in the master bedroom. Let me show you the guest bedroom first and the laundry room and stuff. So this is the guest bedroom. It has 2 bunk beds in it and a full-size bed, and it also has a nice closet and new air conditioners, so energy efficient ones. They're newer. So this building was finished in like around 2010. So this is the bedroom. This is the bathroom for the guest bedroom and for like the common area from the house. So from the condo, you have nice bathroom, and then this also has a nice laundry room. So you just need to put the washer dryer in. It has the on-demand hot water system and a mop sink, which is really nice to have a mop sink in here. So yeah, so you got a nice kitchen again. Okay, let me show you the master bedroom. Con permiso. The master bedroom has a nice big walk-in closet, lots of storage, and then you've got the master bathroom here. One thing I really like about the bathrooms in here and the master, they have an outlet inside the cabinet. So if you have like hair dryers or electric razors or something that needs to be plugged in, you can keep it in there and have it plugged in, and it's not laying on your counter. So. But yeah, nice shower. And then there is also a cabinet behind the door. So you've got lots of space in the master bathroom. And from the master bedroom, you've got an ocean view. So check that out. So, this is a very nice condo listed for $250,000. Ready to be moved into and enjoyed. And a fabulous ocean view. I love my life. Come join me.